Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Inshallah, in this video, you are going to learn Para 1 Surah Baqarah Ayat number 21 and 22. Let's start. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم يا أيها الناس اعبدوا ربكم الذي خلقكم والذين من قبلكم لعلكم تتقون. Look at the word Ya ayyuhan nas u'budu. You can see Hamza after Khada Zabar. It is Madde Munfasil. You have to stretch up to 5 harkat. Ya ayyu. And then you can see Tashdid on Noon. It is Noon Mushaddad. You have to do Gunna. Means you have to keep the sound in your nose up to 2 harkat, like hanna su'budu. And there is waw madda after dal. You have to stretch waw madda up to 2 harkat. Budu rabbakumul ladhi. You can see tashdid on ba, and ba is a qalqala letter. You learned the rule when the letters of qalqala are mushaddad, you have to pronounce with emphasis, with stress. Rabbakumul ladhi. Stretch ya madda. Khalaqakum. You have to pronounce kha and qaf with thicker voice because they are from mustaliya letters. Walladhina. Pronounce dal without whistle sound and stretch ya madda. Min qablikum. There is qaf after noon sakin, and qaf is from ikhfa letters, so ikhfa will be done, ghunna will be done in noon sakin. You have to pronounce like this, min qablikum, and also pronounce qaf with thicker voice because it is a mustaliya letter, and do qalqala in ba. Qalqala means to rebounce the sound, to make an echo sound. Qablikum, like that. لعلكم تتقون. Next ayat. الذي جعل لكم الأرض فراشا والسماء بناء وأنزل من السماء ماء فأخرج به من الثمرات رزقا لكم فلا تجعلوا لله أندادا وأنتم تعلمون. Look at the word الذي. You have to read Zal without whistle and stretch Ya Madda. Ja'ala. Pronounce Ain from the middle part of your throat. Lakumul ardo. You have to read Ra with thicker voice because there is Zabr before Ra Sakin. And Dod is also thick because it is a Mustaliya letter. Firashan. You can see Waw after Tanween, after 2 Zabr. And Waw is from Yarmalun letters. The rule idgham will be done and gunna will be done in tanween. Firashan. Gunna means taking the sound into the nose. Wasama'a. You can see Hamza after alif madda in the same word. It is madde muttasil. You have to stretch madde muttasil up to 5 harakat. Bina'an. It is also madde muttasil, and there is waw after Hamza. It is also idgham. You have to do gunna. Wa anzala. You can see za after noon sakin. Za is from ikhfa letters, so the rule ikhfa will be done in noon sakin and gunna will be done. You have to read like this. Wa anzala minas samai. There is madde muttasil again. Ma it is also madde muttasil, and you can see tanween on Hamza, 2 zabar on Hamza, and after 2 zabar, after tanween there is fa. and fa is from ikhfa letters, so the rule ikhfa will be done, gunna will be done. You have to read like this: ma fa akhraja, pronounce kha with thicker voice and ra with thicker voice, because kha is from mustaliya letters and ra has zabar on it, and you learn the rule when the letter ra has zabar on it, it is pronounced with thicker voice. Bihi, stretch khada zir. Minas samarati, pronounce sa without whistle. Do not read minas samarati because sa is pronounced without whistle. Samarati. Rizqal lakum, you have to pronounce qaf with thicker voice. It's a mustaliya letter. And there is lam after tu zabar, after tanween. Lam is from yarmalun letters. The rule idgham will be done, but gunna will not be done, because in case of lam and ra, idgham is done without gunna. Do not read rizqan lakum. You have to say rizqan lakum. Fala taj'alu, do qalqala in jim. Lillahi, pronounce lam with thin voice because there is zir before the lam of Allah's name. Andadan, there is dal after nun sakin. Dal is an ikhfa letter, you have to do gunna. And there is waw after tanween, it is idgham, you have to do gunna. Wa antum, you can see ta ikhfa letter after nun sakin, ikhfa will be done, gunna will be done. Ta'lamun. Inshallah, in the next video you will learn the next ayat of Surah Baqarah.